What do married couples need to know when planning for Medicaid? Our expert in elder law, Gary Price, has the answer. Good morning, Gary.
Hey, good morning, Angie.
When this situation arises, is it typically that one member of the couple is going into a nursing home and the other will stay in the home? Is that when the plans start?
That's what the concern is. That's always the discussion I have. Whether it's a married couple is planning for Medicaid. That means there's no immediate need for assistance. There's no immediate concern that one of the couple or one of the married persons are going to go into a nursing home. So they're planning, or in a crisis mode where there is a certainty that one of the spouses will be going into a nursing home. That's the concern. What happens, because they always hear this about you've got to spend all your money and liquidate your resources before you qualify for Medicaid. So we know what's going to happen to the spouse going into the nursing home. They're going to get 24/7 care. But what happens to the spouse still staying at home if all the money has to be spent and all the resources have to be liquidated before Medicaid is approved? That's the discussion, and that's always the concern.
Well, and what is the fact here? I mean, if you're concerned about that, I mean, it's a real concern. What are the facts for that spouse who stays at home?
Here's the facts, and this is with 100% certainty. If you do absolutely nothing, what I just described will happen. You'll continue paying month after month the $7,000 to $9,000 nursing home bill until you don't have anything and now you qualify. Or there are some planning techniques and there are some transactions that are allowed by the state that allow you to shelter your resources so that the spouse at home maintains those resources, and in doing so maintains the spouse's current standard of living. So the bottom line and the quick answer is always, there's no exception to this, is always, if you plan correctly, if you do so, you can shelter all the assets and still qualify. The spouse going into the nursing home can still qualify for Medicaid assistance.
Well, Gary, it sounds like to me that no matter what, but certainly if you're in your 60s, 70s, or 80s, you need to plan ahead for this.
You do. And you know what? Planning ahead may not mean doing any transactions. It may mean doing some transactions. It depends on your particular situation. But planning ahead always means being knowledgeable and know what to do in the event something happens where one spouse, in this case, one spouse has to go into the nursing home.
Is this all addressed in your book, Gary?
It is. It is. I talk a lot about married couples because it's a real concern. I get this all the time. Married couples coming in and doing the what if. What if one of us has to go in? They need to be aware of the fact that they don't need to be concerned on the financial side. We can take care of that.
Give everybody your phone number, please, so they can get the book or make an appointment with you.
Sure. Medicaid in Indiana, give my office a phone call, 812-479-8721. We'll send you a copy of the book, no charge.
Thank you so much, Gary Price. Always good to see you.
You too, Angie. Thank you.
More Lifestyles for you right after this.
This portion of Lifestyles is sponsored by Gary Price, elder law attorney.